Hey everyone, my son's getting into anime, so I decided to draw him Kakashi, one of his favorite characters. Started off here with the copics, then we got into the Prisma color pencils. I didn't end up liking how the color pencils came out with the copics, but I do like the color pencils, they're awesome. Maybe next time I'll draw the whole thing with it, but I think I end up just doing the rest of it with the copics. I, I like challenging my son with drawing a lot. So what I end up doing, I end up drawing one of his favorite characters. I'll leave the line work and I'll print it out and let's see what he can come up with. This is towards the end. Guys, let me know what you think. What's your favorite character? Let me know what's next. Let me know if you guys like it. Orale. Take it easy, guys.